Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 10-gallon tanks are probably one of the most versatile and popular choices for both beginner and experienced aquarists looking to create a vibrant underwater world, offering enough space for a small community of fish or a single centerpiece inhabitant without demanding excessive room or resources, making them an ideal starting point for anyone passionate about the captivating hobby of fish keeping and eager to bring a slice of aquatic tranquility into their home. Number 5. Aqueon MiniBow 5-Gallon Aquarium Kit. This is a complete starter kit designed to get you up and running. It includes the aquarium, LED hood, filter, and even samples of food and water conditioner. Whether you're new to the hobby or a seasoned pro, this tank is perfect for you. Its user-friendly design ensures quick and simple assembly. Water changes are a breeze with our unique power filter featuring Smart Clean technology. You can complete essential maintenance in under 2 minutes. Crafted from durable acrylic, it offers excellent clarity and longevity. This provides a secure and healthy environment for your small fish or betta. Developed by aquatic hobbyists, this product is part of a range of solutions designed to help you maintain a healthy aquatic environment. What we like. If you're new to fish keeping, this kit is perfect for you. It includes everything you need to get started and makes water changes incredibly simple. If you want a hassle-free setup, this is the one to choose. What people say. The Smart Clean system is a game-changer. Being able to perform partial water changes quickly and easily with the integrated drain tube has saved me so much time and effort. The LED lighting is also a fantastic feature. It provides a bright and natural-looking illumination that really makes the colors of our fish and the lush live plants pop. The little nozzle that's pointing inside the cartilage filter can be extended and higher when you want to do a water change, which is amazing for me. Number 4. Koller Products AP6 56.5-Gallon Aquarium Kit. Brighten your underwater world with energy-efficient LED lighting. Choose from 4 dazzling color options, including daylight white, warm white, and various blues, to perfectly showcase your aquatic friends. Keep your aquarium pristine with a powerful internal filter. It cleans and purifies the water at 45 gallons per hour, effectively removing impurities for a healthy environment. Crafted from impact-resistant, crystal-clear plastic, it offers the look of glass with superior strength. Its one-piece construction ensures durability and eliminates worries about leaks. Setting up and maintaining this trendy aquarium is a breeze. Its stylish design will complement any space, making it a beautiful addition to your home. This 6.5-gallon kit provides an easy and attractive way to house your fish. Enjoy a beautiful, clean, and worry-free aquatic experience. What we like. For those who love a splash of color, this tank offers dazzling LED options. Its durable, leak-proof design means you can place it anywhere without worry. If you appreciate both aesthetics and peace of mind, this is a great choice. What people say. The built-in light works very nicely with the flip-open tank lid, making access to the entire aquarium for feeding, cleaning, and using tools to reposition tank items easy and carefree. The filter is quiet, and hoping replacement filters are easy to order and reasonably priced on Amazon. It's a great little aquarium and comes with everything you need to get started. The filter is silent and the lid prevents water from evaporating. Number 3. HYGGER Horizon 8-Gallon Aquarium Kit. Introducing the HYGGER Horizon 8-Gallon Aquarium Kit, the perfect starter tank for any aspiring aquarist. It's designed to bring the beauty of an underwater world right into your home. This tank features a stunning 3D rockery background that creates a dreamlike underwater landscape. It provides a wonderful space for your fish to explore, play, and find shelter. Illuminate your aquarium with our multi-mode LED light. You can easily adjust the brightness and set timers for 3, 6, or 12 hours, creating the perfect ambience for your aquatic life. The included power filter is designed for tanks between 2 to 8 gallons. It operates quietly and efficiently, ensuring clean water while providing a safe environment for your fish. Enjoy a wider view of your aquarium with its unique curved glass design. This 8-gallon tank offers ample space and a beautiful perspective of your underwater scenery. We understand the importance of safe delivery. Your aquarium kit is protected with multi-layer packaging, including sturdy polyfoam, to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. What we like. If you're looking for a visually stunning aquarium, this one with its curved glass and 3D rockery background is a showstopper. The customizable LED lighting allows you to create the perfect ambience. If you want a captivating centerpiece, this is it. What people say. The waterfall spout is amazing. You can turn the flow up and down as you need, as well as rotate the waterfall tube and have it point down or outwards. The lights are so beautiful, 3 settings and multiple brightness levels. You can slide the light across the top to adjust, and set a timer with 3 timer options. The filter comes with 2 different little nozzles to put on the filter, which I thought was just amazing. Number 2. Tetra Complete 55-Gallon LED Aquarium Kit. Introducing the Tetra Complete Aquarium Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating a beautiful underwater world. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started right away. It features a generous 55-gallon glass tank, offering ample space for your aquatic friends. The hinged hoods ensure easy access for feeding and maintenance. Enhance your aquarium's beauty with energy-efficient white LED lights. They create a captivating natural shimmer, bringing your underwater landscape to life. Maintain crystal clear water with the powerful Tetra Whisper PF60 power filter. Its 3-in-1 system provides mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration for a healthy environment. Keep your tropical fish comfortable with the included 200-watt heater and thermometer. These essential tools help maintain the ideal water temperature for their well-being. This kit also includes a fish net, water conditioner, and helpful setup guides. Everything is designed for your convenience and success in fish keeping. What we like. This is the ultimate kit for serious hobbyists or those planning a larger aquatic setup. It comes with a heater and all the essentials for tropical fish keeping. If you're ready for a significant aquarium project, this comprehensive package is ideal. What people say. The tank and filter are both high-quality pieces and will be serviceable for many years. The tank is USA made with 316 tempered glass. The 55-gallon size gives you a lot of space to be creative, and it is easier to maintain water quality with the larger volume. The filter is the well-known Tetra Whisper 60 that really is whisper quiet. The filter wells are nice and deep, and you can ditch the replaceable cartridges for any type of reusable media, sponge, filter floss, bio rings, rock, etc. Number 1. AquaMiracle Aquarium Filter. Tired of green water? This aquarium filter uses a powerful UV lamp and a 3-stage filtration system to keep your tank crystal clear. It effectively removes impurities, odors, and harmful substances, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Choose between 2 modes to best suit your aquarium's needs. The aerating mode boosts oxygen levels with adjustable airflow, while the rainfall mode gently circulates water, creating surface agitation beneficial for your fish. The built-in UV lamp features a convenient timer, allowing you to set it for 4, 8, 12, or 24-hour intervals. This means you don't need to worry about continuous operation, saving energy and enhancing convenience. This filter is designed for tanks ranging from 10 to 40 gallons, with an adjustable flow rate and direction to cater to various needs. It's perfect for nurturing both fish and plants, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. Your pet's safety is our priority. This filter is completely submersible with an epoxy-sealed motor, and each unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the highest safety standards. Experience superior filtration with 3 stages: mechanical, chemical, and biological. It captures large debris, eliminates odors and chlorine, and provides a habitat for beneficial bacteria, resulting in polished, healthy water. What we like. If crystal clear water is your priority, this filter with its UV lamp is a game changer. It effectively tackles green water and offers flexible aeration or rainfall output. If you need advanced water clarity and oxygenation for tanks up to 40 gallons, this is your solution. What people say. My water turned crystal clear after running the filter 24/7, for about 7 to 8 days straight. The waterfall attachment is perfect for betta fish. My tank stays clear, and air bubbles keep flowing. Cleaning is not too bad once you get the filter out of the tank to access the foam filters. Any inconvenience is offset by the cleanable filters so that I do not need to buy replacement filters. The unit is quiet and dependable. After adding this internal filter, I could almost immediately notice a difference. For the first week I kept the UV light on for 24 hours and the water was so clear. I will say that depending upon how dirty your tank is when you first use this, you will have to rinse out the sponge filters often, but after some time you will notice that the frequency of having to do so will decrease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.